They had this at Walmart for $19.99. The CRKT S.P.E.W. It comes with a lanyard. Oh, with a little adjustable thingy. And it comes with a clip, so you can scout carry it if you want, or I don't know how you would traditional carry it. It might be too, I think scout carry would be the only option. Yeah, $19.99. I like to carry it in the front right pocket, so anyway. Comes with the lanyard. Yay! Very nice retention on the clip. Warncliffe design. I thought this was micarta, but it's G10. It's very nice. Jumping on the spine of the blade.